बेसिक इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस। तुम्हें कौन कहलो? व्हाट डिड यू से? व्हाट डिड यू से? तुमर किछि दरकार कि? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग? तुम्हें कौन चाहो? व्हाट डू यू वांट? व्हाट डू यू वांट? एठी कौन चलीछि? व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन हियर? व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन हियर? मु जाने तुम्हें किए। आई नो हु यू आर। आई नो हु यू आर। यार अर्थ कौन? What does it mean? What does it mean? मु मो भूल मानुछि। I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. तुम्हें ठीक अछ तो? Are you all right? Are you all right? मो सहित जुक्ति करनी। डोंट आर्ग्यू विथ मी। डोंट आर्ग्यू विथ मी। मोर यह दरकार। आई नीड इट। आई नीड इट। मु जानेनी। आई डोंट नो। आई डोंट नो। मोर पीछा करो। फॉलो मी। फॉलो मी। ताहा ठीक नुह। दैट्स नॉट राइट। दैट्स नॉट राइट। तुमर फोन अछि कि? डू यू हैव फोन? डू यू हैव फोन? से रोसई घरे अछि। सी इज इन द किचन। सी इज इन द किचन। तुम्हें खुशी अछ कि? आर यू हैप्पी? आर यू हैप्पी? मु खुशी हेबाकु चाहे। आई वांट टू बी हैप्पी। आई वांट टू बी हैप्पी। मु गोटे कार किनिबी। आई विल बाय अ कार। आई विल बाय अ कार। आमर बहुत समय अछि। वी हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम। वी हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम। मु एहा करिबाकु चाहे। आई वांट टू डू दिस। आई वांट टू do this। मु छिड़ा होई परिबिनी। I can't stand। I can't stand। मु बहुत चेष्टा कली। I tried a lot। I tried a lot। तुमर एहा मने अछि कि? Do you remember it? Do you remember it? मु कौन करि परिबी? What can I do? What can I do? एहा कौन? What is this? What is this? एहा मोर फोन। This is my phone। This is my phone। तुम्हारा बयस केते? How old are you? How old are you? तुम्हें कौन करो? What do you do? What do you do? ମୁଁ କହିବିନି। I will not say. I will not say. ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ନୂଆ କ'ଣ? What's new for today? What's new for today? ଏହାର ଦାମ କେତେ? How much is it? How much is it? ଏହା ତୁମର ବାଇକ୍ କି? Is it your bike? Is it your bike? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କଲ? What did you do? What did you do? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଖୋଜୁଥିଲି। I was looking for you. I was looking for you. ତୁମର କ'ଣ ହେଲା? What happened to you? What happened to you? ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଜାଣ କି? Do you know me? Do you know me? ତୁମେ ଏହା ପସନ୍ଦ କର କି? Do you like it? Do you like it? ସେ କିଏ? Who is he? Who is he? ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆସିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let him come. Let him come. ପୁଣି ଭେଟିବା। See you again. See you again. ଦୁଇଥର ଭାବ। Think twice. Think twice. ଏଥିରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରନି। Don't believe in this. Don't believe in this. ହାର ମାନନି। Don't give up. Don't give up. कारण କ'ଣ? What's the reason? What's the reason? ଗୋଟେ ଥରରେ। In one go. In one go. କିଛି ଖାଆନ୍ତୁ। Have something. Have something. କାହାକୁ ଡାକ? Call somebody. Call somebody. ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ। Nothing like that. Nothing like that. ବାସ୍ ଏତିକି। That's all. That's all. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ରହିଲା। କେହି ଜଣେ ତୁମକୁ ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି। ଏହାର ଇଂଲିଶ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ୍ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଲେଖି ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.